you guys end up in the square body hood? But we're gonna be testing out some Rustoleum rattle cans today, so let me show you. Alright guys, so I was down at the hardware store, Home Depot, you know, the good old depot, and I came across this XL Rustoleum gloss enamel turbo can. And you know Bert loves turbos and spray paint, so I knew this thing had to be for me. Like, they literally must have designed this can right here for me. So obviously, me being me, boom, 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 I was like, what can I do with this here can? Oh, well, I can paint my whole square body with it, obviously, right? It says 4 times faster. I was like, we're gonna have to put that to the test. We are definitely gonna have to put that to the test here, boys. For all the build homies that are out there trying to paint their rigs, going around with like spray guns, ordering Raptor liner for $500. Oh, a mask, don't need that. All that, it's not really needed, boys. Because all you need is Rustoleum and a rattle can. But it has to say turbo. If it doesn't say turbo, no good. And I'm being 100% serious. This might seem sarcastic to some of the viewers out there, but nope. If you're new to the channel, 100% serious. This is how we do it around here. Don't worry, boys, we're back. Been making some progress here. Truck is almost looking nice thanks to these gloss rattle can turbo editions. Clutch. Very clutch. I was skeptical. Extremely skeptical, but I think it might be more than 4 times faster. It says 4 times faster. I think it could be like 7, 8,000. Wow, someone either just died, got shot, or got in a fight with their mom. Because there was some weird screaming sounds going on there. Yes. Okay, but this is the final product we have here with the Turbo XL rattle cans from Rustoleum. Probably sponsored by Bert Builds, but not indefinitely. As you can see, came out all right. Not too bad here. Hold on, let me grab my light here. Overall, pretty smooth. And I can honestly say that it looks hack.